Good evening. How are we doing, all right? All right. In a few minutes, my friend, my colleague, Rob Stone is going to talk to you. And it is going to blow your mind, ladies and gentlemen.
What? Not the first time.
No, it is. It's going to give you renewed faith in yourselves, in your city, in your state, in your country, and in your parents. But a few words before we go on.
USA! 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 USA!
You're damn right. A few months ago, we were in Columbus, Ohio. And we talked to the folks there. Many of you, some of you were there. Didn't quite go as well as we had planned when it came time for the game. It's all right. The games will come and they will go.
So graceful.
But ultimately, what will remain is us.
That's right.
Is this beautiful soccer community and family that continues to get bigger and stronger each and every day, each and every month, each and every year, and each and every game. And that soccer community is something that I hold dear. That soccer community and that soccer family warms the cockles of my red-headed heart. You are a part of that family, and for those of us that kick the ball, myself, there's a young man over here by the name of Landon Donovan somewhere around here. It's beautiful. Oftentimes, guys like myself and Landon, people talk about what we have done for soccer, and that's all fine and well. But the reality is that there are men and women that maybe have never kicked the ball when it comes to an international game, all right, maybe have never represented their country when it comes to on the field. But they are as important, and in many cases more important, than any of us that get the credit for kicking the ball. And so from those folks like myself, and I'm going to speak for Landon in this case, I want to say thank you for everything that you do each and every day, not just every game, but each and every day, to spread this wonderful gospel of American soccer. Have a wonderful time tomorrow. Cheer on your team. Cheer on your country. I don't care how it looks. All I want tomorrow is 3 points from Bruce Arena of the United States national team.
USA! 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 We like it! We like it! We like it!
It's incredible. It's incredible. Pretty incredible, Rob Stone, isn't it? All right. Without further ado, it is my privilege, it is my pleasure to introduce to you a friend, a colleague, a legend, who is going to talk to you about what it means to be part of this family of American soccer. Ladies and gentlemen, the great Rob Stone! and stronger star sitting on top of this fucking food truck right now. You don't just wake up on a Thursday morning and say, you know what I'm gonna do today? I'm gonna get a beer. I'm gonna have a couple random shots with a couple random people from a couple random spots in America, and I'm gonna get on the top of a food truck. But I am on top of a goddamn food truck right now. I've never felt so free, and I also don't know where I can stand safely. It's gonna be quick, and this is gonna be unique. I have 3 points to make. Number one, Alexi Lalas. Number one, raise your hands if you've heard Alexi Lalas speak at a night before party before. Now tell me if that was his best speech ever. It wasn't even close. I'm gonna take some of the credit for it.
I love it! Come on, yes, baby!
Number two, behind that bar over there, there's a mysterious box. It looks kind of sketchy. It also has my name on it, and I also forgot to bring it up here. So it'd be really super duper if somebody could get it and work its way up over here. And I'm going to clarify, I've got two other points. There it is, thank you. Who likes free things? Raise your hand if you like free things. Yeah, you like free things, because free things are free. Free is awesome. Hold on. Bend your knees, get low, and thrust. You're right. He lettered in thrusting.
And thrust, I trust!
Not yet. Oh, it's pretty good though. We've got, what's in there? Does anybody know what's in here? No, you don't! I know what's in there! I'm the only one who knows what's in there. Such a tease. Alright. Give me one. Such a good scarf. Such a good scarf. More beer scarf, really good. Really good. Best scarf here. If you got a better scarf, raise it.
You got one! You got one! Hella United!
Alright, number one, give me 30 seconds to be like semi-serious, and then we're gonna have fun again. I'm the worst. We have a very good friend who's in the audience tonight who just got elected to the U.S. Soccer Hall of Fame. And I think it is just awesome. How many people here, particularly in Northern California, grew up reading Soccer America at some point in their lives? Paul Kennedy, raise your hand right now. You don't want to do it. There he is in the corner. Paul Kennedy is one of the founding fathers, in my eyes, of Soccer America. I still have magazines of Soccer America from the old days that he wrote in and contributed. He is a Colgate University graduate as well. And tomorrow he's getting elected into the U.S. Soccer Hall of Fame. Folks, if it wasn't for people like like Mr. Kennedy, Paul Kennedy, there would not be this type of crowd here tonight. And I thank you, and I appreciate it. It really is wonderful. There used to be no freaking soccer coverage. Now every time you turn around, it's like, God damn, another soccer game. I don't even know where that country is. Oh, no, that was just to startle the crowd. And you bid for it. You guys are so easy. So easy. Hey, right now, who am I impersonating? Stu Holden, you're right. Stu Holden. He's got a very tight ass. Stu Holden. So, those of you, God bless you all, by the way. I mean, you guys are friggin' awesome. This is such a beautiful moment. But you guys have come to expect some type of fire and brimstone and overserved speech from me the night before a game.
can't get it. But I recognize we have some different personalities in the crowd tonight. And for the first time ever, we're able to pull up the fucking legend. He is a goddamn legend. Fuck you, Jurgen Klinsmann. I said it. I fucking said it. I'm sorry, that may have come off too negative. We have two absolute incredible U.S. soccer legends here. I really truly mean this. I mean, Alexi Lalas, what he did for U.S. soccer in the early 90s and beyond is beyond imagination. I mean, this young man took it and ran with it. I am so proud to call both of these guys my friends. I am so proud what they did for the sport in America. And I'm so proud to hand this microphone to Landon Donovan because if there's one thing I know about Landon, he loves talking into a microphone. Hello? First of all, I have to say, it's really, really nice to be back in San Jose. As I say to everybody, San Jose is where I became a man. I grew up here. It's nice to be back, and I can think of no better place in this country for a must-win game to have it than here in San Jose. Second of all, I want to say thank you to everybody who has helped build the game so that we could do what we do. Mr. Rob Stone, one of the original founders. Mr. Alexi Lalas, one of the original founders. And all of you guys who have been there to make this possible for all of us. I think when I started in 2001 playing at Spartan Stadium, I could have never imagined nights like this would exist, where however many hundred people are showing up the night before a game to support. So thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'll keep this short. I want to say thank you to all of you. I want to do something way out of my comfort zone and something pretty crazy, but I need your help. Can you guys help me? Alright, I need some of the stronger people here to line up right through here. Alright, I've had this crazy dream as someone who loves music. I always wanted to jump into a crowd. Please tweet it, Instagram it, let me know. Can I trust you guys? Are you sure? Alright, you let me down, I'm gonna be mad. But my career's over anyway, so it's alright if I fall. Alright guys, thank you, I love you. Let's win tomorrow. And go fucking USA!
bunch of corporate executives, like, you too can reach the higher levels, just aim a little bit stronger, and work harder, and use your time better. Really good job, Landon. I didn't think you had it in you. That's really fucking impressive. Alexi's gonna jump next.